Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to disable autofill entries in Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to another browser and download Firefox from there if you of course already don't have Firefox on your PC. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the middle of the screen we have the search box, as you can see, and in the top side also. We have the add shortcut button, and in the top right corner, we have the three horizontal lines where you have, as you can see, a lot of different options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and disable autofill entries in Firefox. So first of all, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select settings here, and then go to settings, which is as you can see in the bottom. In the left sidebar, click on privacy and security, which is the fourth option as you can see. Scroll down to Forms and Autofill. So you need to go and find Forms and Autofill to, of course, be able to do that. Then, when you're there, you need to go and click on uncheck the box next to Remember, Search, and Forum History. You can also find here. You can just go and type it, Remember, and that, so you can find it there. This will disable the autofill feature and prevent Firefox from storing your form entries. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.